For next year, are you optimistic about the global economy or pessimistic?
Pessimist.
Pessimistic.
Pessimistic about the, look, you have a political, you have a monetary, you have a conflict type of environment. At the same time, you have the greatest inventiveness. We talk about this fabulous technology development that has so much potential to produce wonderful things, and then it could be a problem. So if you take the time horizon, the monetary policies that we're going to see and so on will have greater effects on the world. And you look at the world gaps, so it's difficult to be optimistic on that. And I think now the real issue, I think, is how we deal with each other. Okay? If it was said earlier very well, peace. If we can keep a peace, if we can have a healthy, competitive environment without having a war with each other, we will be in good shape. We will make adaptation.